Hello and welcome to my channel, Joyce's Affordable Glam Life 360, or just Joyce. I am doing my Birchbox unboxing for the month of February. And what I thought I would also do is I received my Boxycharm at the same time, and I would go through that as well. The Boxycharm will be quick because it didn't have a card in it. And to be honest with you, not as happy this month as I have been in the past. So if you would like to see what I received in my Boxycharm box as well as my Birchbox, then keep on watching. Okay, so I am going to go through Boxycharm really quickly, and then I will go, then we will go through my Birchbox. So Boxycharm, the same box with the red, it's the base box. It didn't have a card, and I guess, I don't know if it's something new they're doing or if they forgot, but they sent in an email, they call it the virtual card, and so it had the prices and what have you, but I am not going to do that. I am just going to show you what I received and go from there. Like I said, I'm a bit disappointed in my box, but that's okay. It's 1 month and that happens. So I'm probably not going to really use a couple of things out of this box. Well, maybe just one thing I don't think I'm going to use. So the first thing is I received the Pure 4-in-1 Correcting Primer, which I at first was like, I don't know about that. But then I heard Glitzy Fritzy. She's wonderful. If you don't know of her or have not checked out her channel, go and check her out. She's wonderful. She does tutorials, she does unboxings, and she's just a hoot to watch. She's very engaging. Anyway, she said that she loves this primer and was so excited to get it in her Boxycharm. So, all right, so I will give it a shot and see how it goes. Actually, I am wearing it today, and I do like the feel of it. When it goes on, it actually felt kind of like energizing. I don't know how else to explain it, but it felt good going on, and right now it feels wonderful on my face. So we will see. So that one was great. Okay, so it's not a total flop this month. Okay, the next thing I received was this Kat Von D cake pencil. I have used Kat Von D in the past, but I haven't used it for a while now, and it doesn't have anything to do with the drama behind her. I just stopped using her products, but now it's not Kat Von D anymore, and I forgot what it's called now, and she sold her makeup line, so she has no affiliation with them anymore, but this is probably still Kat Von D, so it's still her product. But I'm still gonna, I have it on my under my eyes, and I like it. It seems to stay put really nice, so I'm gonna use it. You know, the cosmetics has nothing, so the personal stuff, the stuff that I don't agree with, I'm not gonna, I guess I'm trying to say is it's not gonna stop me from using their makeup unless it's something really ridiculous. You know, I don't agree with everything, you know, some of these cosmetic lines do or say, or how they publicize themselves. But if it's a product that I try out and I like, you know, it's from Boxycharm, will I go out and repurchase it with my own money? Probably not. Well, it is my own money. Well, what am I saying? Because I do, but I may not go out and just specifically go and buy this. Okay, the next thing I received were these Luxie Complete Sponge Set, and the price of these I've heard are like $40. I don't know. Luxie high-end, they're supposed to be a pretty good brand, but quite honestly, they have an odor to them that really turns me off. I don't even think I'm going to even attempt to use these. This one feels nice and soft and it's okay, but this one's really firm and hard, and it doesn't, I don't know, I'm not sure. And then the small one, I don't really use this for detailed work anyway, the sponge, so I don't know. And the odor, like I said, maybe if they sit out, the odor will go away. I'm not sure, but right now, like I can smell it and I don't like the odor. So I don't know about that one. Okay, the other thing I received is QMS. This is an intensive eye care for day and night eye cream. So this I'll try, and it's full size. It'll probably last for quite a while. So we'll give this a shot for my under eyes. My under eyes are not, I don't have real horrible under eyes. A little bit of discoloration, and I really just I use my corrector just for that little discoloration, and I honestly use the concealer just to brighten up the under eye a little bit. And that's really why I use it, not to cover up dark circles or anything. Okay, the last thing out of my Boxycharm box is the Ciate London Everyday Vacay. And this is a coconut setting powder. You know me and my Coty Airspun, we will never part ways, but I will still try this. It has a hint of coconut smell to it, but nothing that would make you, it's really faint. It's not really anything that would turn you off. Now, the Airspun one does have that, people say, old lady-ish scent, but it goes away. And because it performs so well, I can handle the odor. But this one, the coconut, it barely has a scent anyway. And it's so finely milled, and it's very white. So I'll just put a little bit here in the cup. And it looks like that, and it's very fine. It's so smooth and soft. So I will try it and see what I think. So really the only fail, well, I was a little disappointed because I didn't receive an eyeshadow palette, but I have been receiving them since November. I've been receiving eye palettes, so maybe that's why. I don't know. So I was looking forward to another eye palette, but I didn't get that. There were no blush, there was no lipstick, and those are the things I really look forward to getting. So that's why I'm disappointed, just because of my own personal preference, but it's not a horrible box, if that makes sense. So my own personal preference, I'm disappointed because those are the things I love getting: eyeshadow palettes, blushes, lipsticks. And I didn't get that. I got a primer, a setting powder, an eye care cream, and an eyeliner, but not bad products, except for these sponges. I just don't think they're gonna work for me, and the odor, like I said, no thank you. So that was the only dud I would say in this box. So it's not, again, it's not a bad box, it's just a disappointment to my personal preference of what I would have wanted to receive. Okay, so that is done, Boxycharm. Let's get to Birchbox. So the box looks like this for the month of February. Cute. Kind of reminds me like of a maze or Tetris-y kind of vibe to it. I don't know. Maybe I'm just being silly. Comes as always with the card of all the products in the box. This month, blue tissue paper, kind of like in the spring vibe to it. And here are my products. Okay, so let's get started. I have the card here that I will read. So the first thing is Acure Foil Time Firming Gold Foil Mask. The full size is $6.99. So it looks like this. I'll give it a shot. It says this gold foil sheet mask traps heat to open your pores for maximum delivery of the firming, brightening serums it's infused with. So I'll give it a shot and see how it goes. So excited to get a mask. Oh, and as always, I will put everything that's in my box in the description below, and the prices of everything. Okay, the next thing is Amika Perk Up Dry Shampoo. Full size would be $25. So here's the sample size. Cute packaging, sweet looking. I know Amika is a really good brand. Dry shampoo, I have tried a couple of dry shampoos, and I'm still not a fan. I have tried even like the Batiste, and there's just something about dry shampoo that I just am not fond of, but I will still try this. Let's read what it says on the card though. So it says, this customer loved weightless spray refreshes second day hair by absorbing oil, boosting volume, and enhancing shine. Shake vigorously and spray in 8 inches from roots. Massage in. So I'll give it a shot. I'll try it again and see, maybe this is the one that I love. We'll see. Okay. The next thing is Davines moisturizing MOMO moisturizing shampoo. Full size would be $29. So it looks like this. It says containing caru melon from Sicily. Okay, I'm half Italian. I should be able to pronounce these words, shouldn't I? No. Anyway. Side note. This shampoo's creamy formula moisturizes even the driest of hair types. So that's good that we got some moisturizing this time of year, right? Everybody's hair gets a little in this cold climate. So the next thing is Love of Color. It's this little sample size right here. Liquid Shimmer Shadow, and the shade is Stardust. Full size, $10. Shimmer and shine with this long-lasting, crease-free liquid shadow in a metallic champagne shade. Apply directly to your lids and blend, layering for more intensity. I received in Birchbox a Love of Color, but it was a pencil. It was a stick, and it was, I don't know if it was the same shade, but it was a pencil, and I had gotten some great recommendations to put it in the inner tear duct, and maybe that's what I will do with this one, but that's what it looks like. And so this is the liquid form, I'm assuming, but I'll have to look and see if the stick one that I received is the same shade or not, but in a different form. Okay, the Beauty Crop, which is this. This is so cute. It looks like milk. You got milk right here, right? The full size is $19.50. The shade is Just Do It, and it's called Enriched with Coconut. This warm silver highlighter illuminates and hydrates. Get a healthy glow by applying a few dots on the high points of your face and blending with fingers. So that's really cute. I'm not going to open it like a milk. I'm going to open it from the bottom. And let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's like a teardrop looking. It's small, sample size, right? But full size, I believe, is $19.50. I believe you probably don't need that much either. And I'm just going to put it on my hand and not my face right now. So if I could get it out. Okay. Why are you not coming out? Okay, there we go. Okay, so this one was the Love of Color, but this is the highlight in liquid form, and it seems nice. You know, I don't use a lot of liquid highlighter, but I'll give this a shot and see how it goes. But the packaging was really cute, like a milk bottle, or whatever you call it, like a gallon of milk. All right, let's set that aside. Okay. Oh, so the next thing is Davines MOMO Moisturizing Conditioner. So they give you shampoo like this, and mine kind of looks like it might have, I don't know, poured out, or maybe that's how it goes. I don't know. Anyway, they only give you this little package of conditioner. Full size would be $33. It says this restorative conditioner has caru melon from Sicily, which keeps hair hydrated long after you're out of the shower. So that's that. Okay, so that was my box for the month. I'm happy with it. Again, Birchbox does pretty good with products. They give you a variety of different products to try and use. Again, I'm a makeup person, but again, sample size to try, I don't think is horrible, and for the price, I don't think it's horrible. So it's very reasonable, and the products are nice, and things that I wouldn't, like I said, I wouldn't usually gravitate towards a liquid highlighter or a cream, anything for my face, but I'll give it a shot. You know, I'll try it. So anyway, if you enjoyed this unboxing, please give me a thumbs up. It helps me out. If you are subscribed to my channel, I thank you from the bottom of my heart for your love and support. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, will you please consider subscribing? And I will see you all in the next one. Take care.